temperatures of anywhere from 30, 32, 34.
You know, the fact that there was no ice, you don't see any discoloration on the beans.
The plant is obviously damaged, but the damage looks to be mostly wind damage. Yeah, you're probably going to have some loss, maybe, you know, it could be 10 or 20%, but like I said, that's going to be sustainable. The most important thing is to have some crop left to harvest. You know, at a decent price is better, obviously, than no crop at all. Hopefully we can get these plantings harvested before we have some more cold weather.